My children are always like, Africans and chicken. It's like 5 and 6. Africans too like fried fry. Oh yeah, is that true? Is that true, guys? Now, please, everybody raise your hand up. 5 finger up, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now, 1 finger down if you have not fried anything for the past 1 week. Put a finger down, ladies and gentlemen. Put a finger down if you have not fried anything. You have not fried chin chin, you have not fried donut, you have not fried gâteau, you have not fried peanut for the past 1 week during this festive period. Put a finger down. Okay, I see you. A finger down for those of you, another finger down for those of you who has not fried chicken. If you haven't fried chicken the whole of this festive period, put a finger down. A finger down, ladies and gentlemen. And if you are an African who has not fried chicken, who has not fried any chicken during this festive period, put your whole hand down. You won. You won. Do you know the relationship Africans have with chicken? Oh my God. OMG. This is the easiest way to fry chicken. Please parboil your chicken with some spices. Put an onion in the oil. Don't worry, even if the onion is black, it doesn't really matter. It will not taste bitter on your chicken. This is super delicious, crunchy.
Yeah, hey, straight in my eye. Straight in my eye, Jesus. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Oh, that was so fun. I wish the people who wanted to eat chicken they would be here, because I still have to go back and fry the chicken.
Chicken tie. My son is a true African boy. There is no party, there is no fest without chicken. And actually, he is going to decide exactly how he wants the chicken. Dry, not too dry, not too dry. Never too dry in his book. This is too dry. But me and my daughter, we want some dry ones, so we are going to get some dry ones in here, and then we're going to eat it with pepper. Can you believe it, guys? Can you believe it? The year is coming to an end. In some few days, it's going to be 2026. Please do not live with regrets. Let's push forward. Let's push forward. You're all welcome to come to my house and eat some chicken.